Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute dog puppet so easily. Let's start drawing. Starting, I draw his cute eyes like this. Then I draw his nose and his mouth that is meeting a bone. I continue with his two ears and his face. Guess what breed of dog is? Yes, he is a Corgi. Do you like Corgi? I like Corgi because they look so cute. Then I draw his body. Draw his four legs. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Then I draw the shapes of circles like this. And we completed a cute dog puppet drawings. Now, let's coloring together. Starting with red, I will use colors of the rainbow to paint this drawing. Then I color this part orange. Next, I use yellow to paint this part of his face. Green. Blue. Dark purple. Light green. And pink. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.